making Indian food. With my recipes, I'll show you how to make Indian food delicious and like a snap of fingers. So today I'm making this delicious Dahi Wale Baingan. It's so simple and delicious that you always want to make it in your weekend as a special dinner. For this I have taken 300 grams of brinjals. I am cutting crisscross so that I can fill masala into it. So for the masala, I just need salt and red chili powder. So just use half quantity of salt and red chili powder or according to your taste. Just mix it together and fill into the brinjals. So once masala is filled, now I have taken mustard oil. Now brinjals are fried. Now I have taken it out. Now for the masala, I have taken same mustard oil and I have added ginger garlic paste. Cook it for a while. Now add ginger juliennes and slit green chilies. Now reduce the flame and add yogurt or dahi into it. Cook it on very slow flame. Now season with the salt and red chili powder. Cook for a while. Now your gravy is almost ready. Now add your fried brinjals. Just toss your fried brinjals and your delicious Dahi Wale Baingan is ready to serve. You can have it with plain paratha or simple chapati. Please do let me know how you find this recipe. So till then, bye bye and take care.